Welcome to Investor Web, your go-to channel for business insights and investment strategies. Our mission here is to empower you with knowledge, to illuminate the path to success, and to inspire entrepreneurial spirit. We are your reliable guide in the vast world of commerce, providing you with tried and tested strategies, innovative ideas, and the latest trends in business and investment. Today, we'll be shedding light on a fascinating subject: superficial businesses everybody starts. We've all seen them, perhaps even contemplated starting one of them ourselves. These are the businesses that seem to be on every corner, in every city, across the globe. They're popular, they're omnipresent, and they've stood the test of time. But what makes them tick? Why are they the go-to choice for so many budding entrepreneurs? Stay tuned as we delve into these popular business ideas, exploring their appeal, their challenges, and their potential for success. First up, the food truck business. A classic, but is it right for you? Now, who doesn't love a good food truck? The aroma of fresh food, the convenience of grabbing a quick bite, it's no wonder food trucks have become a popular sight in cities worldwide. The allure of starting a food truck business is clear. It's often seen as a low-cost, flexible alternative to a traditional restaurant. You get to choose your hours, your menu, and your location. It's the dream, right? Well, it's not all sunshine and tacos. There's the constant hunt for prime locations, unpredictable weather, and not to mention the myriad of health and safety regulations. Plus, the startup costs can be more than you'd imagine. You've got to factor in the truck itself, cooking equipment, insurance, licenses, and so forth. The food truck business can be fulfilling, but it's not for everyone. So do your homework before you hit the road. But remember, every business idea comes with its own set of challenges. Next, the online retail store. A modern entrepreneur's dream, perhaps? The appeal of starting an online retail store is undeniable. In the digital age, the e-commerce market is expanding at an astonishing rate. With the world at your fingertips, your store is open to a global customer base around the clock. Imagine your products could be in the homes of thousands, even millions, without the need for a physical storefront. Setting up an online retail store has never been easier. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce can have your store up and running within a day. Plus, with dropshipping, you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. That's right, you can run your entire business from the comfort of your own home or wherever in the world your wanderlust leads you. However, with the ease of setting up shop comes an ocean of competition. Standing out from the crowd and carving your niche in this saturated market can be a challenge. Ultimately, success requires more than just a dream. Moving on, the fitness studio, a healthy choice, but is it a wise one? The lure of launching a fitness studio is easy to understand. With the societal focus on health and wellness at an all-time high, the demand for fitness services is robust and growing. The idea of owning a space where you can influence people's lives positively, helping them to become healthier and fitter, can be incredibly appealing. The fitness studio business is not just about dumbbells and treadmills, though. It's about creating a community, a place where people feel welcome, motivated, and inspired. It's about providing top-notch training and state-of-the-art equipment, but also about offering unique classes and experiences that differentiate you from the competition. However, it's important to note that the fitness industry is highly competitive. It requires significant investment, continuous innovation, and a deep understanding of your target audience's needs and preferences. So while the idea of starting a fitness studio can be appealing, it's not something to be taken lightly. But be aware, the fitness industry is not for the faint-hearted. Let's look at the social media consultancy, a digital age goldmine or a minefield. Now, who doesn't know about social media? It's everywhere. From the moment you wake up to the second you fall asleep, it's there. It's how we connect, share, and even shop. In fact, it has become a crucial part of businesses worldwide. This is where social media consultancy comes into play. With the ever-growing digital landscape, businesses need experts who can navigate the complex world of social media. They need someone who can help them reach their target audience, build their brand, and ultimately increase their sales. Starting a social media consultancy can be an excellent opportunity. It's a business that doesn't require a massive initial investment. Your knowledge, skills, and creativity are your primary tools. Plus, the demand is there. Companies, big and small, are willing to pay for this service. But remember, this industry changes rapidly. Can you keep up? You keep. Next on the list, personal chef services. A delicious idea, but is it a recipe for success? In the era of personalized experiences, the allure of starting a personal chef service is undeniable. Picture this, you in your chef's whites, preparing gourmet meals that cater to individual tastes and dietary preferences. It's an enticing image, isn't it? And the market is ripe for it. More and more people are seeking out luxury dining experiences in the comfort of their own homes, making personal chef services a potentially profitable venture. But as with all things, there are caveats. A personal chef business is not for everyone. You'll need a keen understanding of diverse cuisines, an unwavering commitment to food safety, and the ability to adapt to clients' dietary needs. Moreover, you're not just feeding people, you're offering a service. So, a knack for customer service is essential. But consider, this business requires culinary skills and a knack for customer service. Now that we've covered these superficial business ideas, it's time to reflect. We began with the food truck business, a popular choice for many due to its low startup costs and mobility. However, it's not without its challenges. The competition is fierce, and the success heavily depends on finding the right location and developing a unique menu. Next, we delved into the online retail store, an idea that has gained tremendous traction in the digital age. With the potential for global reach and flexible working hours, it's an appealing option. Yet it also requires a robust digital marketing strategy and a deep understanding of e-commerce trends. The fitness studio was our third idea, a promising venture for fitness enthusiasts who can make a business out of their passion. But remember, the fitness industry is ever evolving, and staying relevant requires constant innovation and adaptation. Our fourth idea was the social media consultancy, a business that leverages the power of social media for brand growth. It's a dynamic field with a high demand, but it also requires a strong grasp of social media algorithms and trends. Finally, we explored the personal chef services, a great option for those with culinary skills and a love for cooking. Although it's not just about the cooking. One must also have excellent interpersonal skills and the ability to adapt to clients' dietary needs and preferences. Each of these business ideas, while seemingly simple, hold their unique complexities. They demand a deep dive, a thorough understanding, and a well-thought-out strategy. The superficiality of these ideas is merely a facade. Behind it lies the potential for a successful venture, given the right approach, dedication, and a dash of creativity. So before you dive headfirst into any of these ventures, reflect, research, and plan. Remember, every business comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. Choose the one that aligns with your passion, skills, and long-term goals. Remember to subscribe to Investor Web for more business insights. Until next time, may your ventures be fruitful and your investments wise.